Hello everyone, I'm Thai in the United States. And you see the date in the beginning of the video. Yeah, I got this child in 2024 and today is March 2025. I got this one and when I started to open the box and thought about put pieces together, I found two pieces break. Then I claim I got a full refund and the seller let me keep it or throw it away. And then I thought about if other pieces still good, I may use them without the broken pieces. Then I sit the box against the wall in the kitchen, and until the time passed now, I told my husband if he would like to help me put pieces together. He said he will think about it, and about an hour later he told me, okay, let's do it. First of all, both of us don't have skill put things together well, but if you watch my video often, you will see I assemble items many times or are cheap items, and I avoid the service put pieces together costs. Then I learned many items from China. The instructions don't well because I don't understand short time. I need time to learn and understand that instruction. Takes time to finish in one piece, including this one. It is hard to understand the instruction. At the end, we finished it. My husband get tired very easily. He helped me almost done. And then he said, okay, we can put the door tomorrow. For me, I am the one who started and would like to finish in one day, the same day. Just only when I feel too much and stressed, I put down everything and wait until myself cool off, and then I have brain to think again. This time I am okay and I want to finish it. My husband just follow me. I understand him. He's just tired easily, that's it. Anyway, he helped me. Very good helper. And it check. Oh, that's small one for the drawer. Okay. Okay, you can put the drawer together. Bring it up. You have one long in the front, two small in the side. Oh, too long front and back. Just matching the hole. Same thing. How many? Or some more? Big or some more? มันต้องดูด track นะทุกคน track in yeah and then not screw in testing in here testing here top ta-da now door I finished it and I left the shelf in the dining area as you see and I was wondering the 4 pieces of the wood left what are they for because I doesn't see in the instruction and then because I am smart enough to solve the problem and when my brain clear I think about oh maybe those are for the legs to support the center if doesn't support heavy stuff put in the shelf maybe bend the center down and the shelf gonna break and then I flip over and put them in yeah that is easy when finished but when started not that easy I told my husband if we have enough money to pay for our time for our difficulty put pieces together just spend money to buy that I took the shelves from the kitchen, put one in my room, and then another shelf, the big one, I tried to put in my closet, but as the angle to turn in doesn't make it. I thought about if I take apart and assemble inside, it might work, or I just put it in another side the long way somehow. It might get in, but I am very tired. I don't want to do that kind of the job, and I don't want to take everything out of the closet. The part that I carried it upstairs, it was not bad. When I take it down, that was a little bit difficult. I think later why I didn't go to the bottom and then take the table down a little bit. Because I let the table in front of me and I hold it, then the weight of the table go down. That is difficult. And also I decided to put the table in the garage. At first, as you see, I put it next to the door, and it was the problem because of the space, very tiny. When I park the car in the garage, I have little space when open the door and cannot get out easily. Then I move back a little bit and put the small shelf at the front. And when I come home from work, I just think about I may move the shelf to the back of the garage. Maybe better have more space. Not sure yet. I always think and organize things around home when I stay home alone. Always, but not always succeed. Thank you for stopping by listening to me. Happy life, happy day, and don't judge people who you don't know. You just listen to my story or their story, and I worried if somebody think negative to my husband, because many times I told he doesn't good at something. That doesn't mean he does not do anything good. No. I just worry I care about my husband, but I still would like to tell the story that I am happy and do things together with him all the time, and happy, very happy. Have a great day. Bye.